Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing immunity booster drink. In other way, 5-in-1 herbal tea. These days, everyone fighting for new virus. In this situation, it's important to be healthy. Everyday consumption of this herbal tea not only fight with virus but also stronger your immunity, improve your digestion, cure throat allergies or infection, and strongly recommend for weight loss. This tea is safe to drink by anyone. For kids, I suggest 2-year-old onwards. Please follow my steps and procedures. You will improve your health within 15 days. For more benefit, drink every day continuously till 3 months. Let's look at the ingredients. Coriander seeds or kothobari, half a cup. Cumin seeds or jeera, 1/4 cup. Fennel or sauve, 1/4 cup. Fenugreek or methi seeds, 1 tablespoon. Black peppercorn or kali mirch, 10 numbers. Giloy or guduchi or amruta balli powder, 1/8 teaspoon. Friends, here is the important part. I am taking all ingredients as raw to retain its supernatural benefits. In a mixer jar, I am taking coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, and black peppercorn. Grind it as a coarse powder, like this. Store this powder in a glass jar to retain its freshness until 2 months. Now, let's prepare a tea. Keep tea vessel on flame and I am adding 2 glasses of water. Once water start boiling, add half teaspoon of herbal tea powder. Let the tea boil for 2 minutes, and this stage I am adding Giloy powder and let it sit for boiling for 5 minutes. The Giloy powder used for viral fever or infection. So, every day drink with this tea will improve your guts and cold and fever will stay in a bay. Friends, boiling tea level reduced to half an inch. Take it out from the flame, pour it directly into tea cup. You can drink as it is, but for more benefit, add fresh ginger juice and lemon juice. Mix well. Or if you like sweet, add liquid jaggery. Avoid using sugar. The tea has to drink hot, so I am not adding honey here. I suggest everyone to drink ginger lemon mixed tea rather than sweet to get all 5 benefits in one tea. Now, when can we take? Yes, every day morning 30 minutes before the breakfast and night 30 minutes before the dinner time. Must need to drink hot. So friends, take the benefit of this herbal tea and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.